Hi, I'm Josh Willis with Resist, again, joined with Matthew from ABRA. We're going over some maintenance and some simple technical things that we want to do on the machine. Today, we're going to go over how to align your laser to the frame of the machine. Sometimes your laser can get off-centered or off-skewed, and then that's not going to give you a square reading when you're setting up a program. So what we're going to do is show you how to align your laser and make sure it's square to the machine. First thing we're going to do when aligning our laser is we're going to go to define without leveling to turn the laser on. You'll see that the laser is not square at all to the machine. So what we want to do is square it up or line it up with the bridge. So what you're going to do is turn that laser and get it square to the machine. First, by loosening the lock nut on the bottom. That will allow you to turn it. You can then turn it square, get it squared to the front of the machine, snug it up, and then you want to run the machine back and forth to make sure that it is square. You can see if it's off a little bit, you can adjust it, and then run it back and forth to make sure that it stays square to the machine. Once you're confident the laser is square to the machine, then tighten the lock nut on the bottom and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully it helped. Hopefully the machine's up and running. If for whatever reason it hasn't solved your problem, please reach out to me or Matthew or any of our tech support people, and we're happy to walk you through it and get this thing resolved and get your machine up and running. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.